Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore the ABAC melodic form and how it relates to the music we make. The ABAC melodic form refers to a specific melodic structure. It's a sequence that composers and producers use to create dynamic and engaging music. The A section introduces a theme, or a melody. This A section is followed by a B section, which presents a contrasting theme. Then the A section returns, before moving to the C section, which offers a new, distinct musical idea. When creating music, the ABAC form is a useful option for maintaining listener interest. This form offers a balance of familiarity and novelty, essential in genres ranging from pop to jazz. Understanding the ABAC form can greatly enhance your music production skills. Experiment with it in your compositions and see how it transforms your music. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.